Affricates ch and j. Ch and j are the only affricates in English. An affricate is a phoneme which combines a plosive or stop with an immediately following fricative. In other words, an affricate begins like a stop but ends like a fricative. So, to create ch, air is briefly prevented from leaving the vocal tract when the tip of the tongue presses against the back tooth ridge while the sides of the tongue press against the upper side teeth. In this way, all air is blocked. Then the tongue pulls back to create friction, creating turbulence. J is voiced and is the counterpart to the unvoiced ch. So to say j, additionally, voice the vocal cord. The voiceless affricate cha is pronounced twice in the word church. Ja is pronounced twice in the word judge. Cha, ja, minimal pairs. Chain, Jane. Char, jar. Charred, jarred. Chaz, jazz. Cheer, jeer. Cheese, geez. Cherry, jerry. Chess, jess. Chest, jest. Chested, jested. Chester, jester. Chew, Jew. Chill, Jill. Chin, gin. Chip, jip. Chive, jive. Choice, Joyce. Choke, joke. Choker, joker. Chug, jug. Chump, jump. Chunk, junk. Chunky, junky. Etching, edging. Batch, badge. Beseech, besiege. Catch, cadge. Cinch, singe. Etch, edge. H, age. Hodgepodge, hodgepodge. Larch, large. Leech, liege. Lunch, lunge. March, marge. Perch, purge. Perched, purged. Wretch, reg. Rich, ridge. Search, surge. Searches, surges. Splotch, splodge. Ch, j sentences. These are sentences with cha, ja sounds. The judge went to church, not to jail. The catcher was joking with the pitcher. John is chasing the pigeons away from the hedge. The children were jumping and playing catch. The Jeep is not cheap. We moved the strange furniture to the garage. Sometimes they cheer, sometimes they jeer. I wasn't sure whether he was joking or choking. She ate her jello while playing the cello. They're Jane's chains. Ja, ja, minimal pairs. Very few word pairs exist for the ja, ja distinction. Lesion, legion. Version, virgin. Pleasure, pledger. Cha, cha, minimal pairs. Shant, chant. Sheet, cheat. Share, chair. Sherry, cherry. Shoe, chew. Shat, chat. She's, cheese. Shoed, chewed. Shatter, chatter. Shilling, chilling. Shop, chop. Sheaf, chief. Shin, chin. Shopper, chopper. Shear, cheer. Ship, chip. Shore, chore. Sheep, cheap. Shit, chit. Shuck, chuck. Shore, chore. Washer, watcher. Bash, batch. Bosh, botch. Bush, butch. Cash, catch. Cash, catch. Chic, cheek. Crush, crutch. Dish, ditch. Hash, hatch. Hush, hutch. Lash, latch. Leash, leech. Leash, leech. Marsh, march. Mash, match. Racial, Rachel. Wash, watch. Ja, za, minimal pairs. Ja is an explosive sound that is the voiced version of cha. It is impossible to extend ja for very long. Za is a smooth fricative sound that is the voiced version of sa. Za can be extended for as long as you like. Page, pays. Cage, cays. Siege, sees. Stage, stays. Wage, weighs. Barge, bars. Change, chains. Charge, chars. Forge, fours. Fridge, frizz. Jew, zoo. Siege, seize. Binge, bins. Rage, raise. Rage, raise. Siege, seize. Strange, strains. Tinge, tins. Budge, buzz. Fudge, fuzz. Gauge, gaze. Jest, zest. Jig, zig. Purge, purrs. Singe, sins.